this is so chaos, bro.
Ah!
What is this?
Bro! Go
Bro.
to the battlefield!
Damn it.
I'm gonna play Sentry in the base.
Bro! Bro, what?
I almost got a kill!
Yeah, bro, me too.
But I'm still alive!
Bro.
Bro. Hold up. Run! I'm gonna kill.
It's AFK. I'm a AFK with the iron farm.
Bro, do not AFK.
I'm still...
I'm literally in the war. While you're just there chilling.
Bro, I got diamonds. I get a diamond, bro, for free.
Bro, I clutched. Then this guy just shot me with his fireball. Rep. Do it. Do it like a short, okay? Pull like a short.
Nah, I'm doing
No, short is like 1 minute maximum. Pull it on short, okay? Pull it on short.
Nah.
If you don't, I'm gonna kill you. And finish your video.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, I got diamonds.
Man, bro, I'm gonna place TNT.
Do you have kits?
What?
Do you have a kit?
What kit?
Oh my god, you're broke. Oh! This one guy shot my crow.
Nah, bro, I just placed a TNT, bro.
Why did you place it in the Bro, my friend is so dumb. Bro, this is like a war.
Yeah, bro,
Look at me! Look at me! Behind you!
Nah, bro, we will die.
Ah! Look at me, look at me, look at me. I'm the guy who's holding block.
Bro! I ate bad, bro.
I'm a Bedwars pro. Let's go! I know the martial arts.
Bro, did you...
They're camping!
Campers. Camper.
Oh, I got 2 kills! I got the kills!
Bro, got killed, bro. Bro's Mr. Cool. Subscribe to him if you know him. Just subscribe to him.
I got 2 emeralds!
Yeah.
Hey, let's go, let's go.
Yeah, bro. Bro, stealing.
No, it's spear skill. Okay, spear skill.
Never.
You have skill issue. They have skill issue.
Yeah, bro. Skill issue.
Why is
Everything
everything...
diamonds.
Bro, everything is exploding here.
Bro,
And
just 2
burning.
diamonds.
Steal it.
I just got it.
And a pearl. I clutched! What? I clutched!
Wait, what?
Someone blow me and I clutched, then I got clutched again. When I died.
Let's go.
I just wasted my
It's
emerald.
war.
We need to enchant our sword.
Oh my god, bro, someone's playing so many TNT.
Who? There's sky camping! I think you're hearing my mouse, right?
Yeah.
I'm
Bro.
thinking so hard.
Yeah, bro. The Titan has fallen. The Titan of the dead.
No, I think of your mom.
Yeah, bro, I think your dad never came back for the blue.
Yeah, because that's what happened to your dad.
Woo!
Bro, you need to get blocks. We need to sky camp as well.
Yeah. I have so many blocks. Oh my bro!
Someone please TNT!
Yeah, bro, so...
Oh my god, bro, spinning so hard. Oh my god, he's almost killing us all. Oh my god, I'm almost dead. I'm still alive. For the first time. Just kidding. Find him! Kill him! How are you still alive, bro? Bro? I think he died.
I'm sky base.
Huh?
I'm sky base.
You got rocks.
Bro!
I'm gonna place TNT on the sky in their base.
Bro! Someone's killing.
You mean your mom?
My god, bro, I got emerald.
I don't know what this thing does. I placed some high-tech technologies on the roof, by the way. Oh my god, everything's exploding here. Everything's perfect
Here!
Everything's exploding here. Definitely perfect. Hey, hey. Bro, this is crazy.
Good, bro, someone's killing! Someone's killing and I have emerald!
I'm in the top of the samurai building thing.
My God, bro, someone's playing TNT so hard.
Definitely not me.
Who's killing?
I'm going to their base! I'm going to their base! I am going to their base! I'm in their base!
Oh my God!
Oh my God, it's gonna be crazy because I'm gonna miss him. I play TNT so hard! Oh my God! I died in their base. Bro, I killed so many. But I died.
I'm Skybase.
But this it's called again a war so hard.
I was Skybase. Bro, I'm on top of the world.
A whole new world!
Oh my God. Bro, why would they say that? I'm breathing. I'm breathing.
Guys, I need help! You just hear my mouse.
Yeah, bro. Bro's
Yay.
playing so hard.
How did you do that?
Bro, look at me, bro.
Oh, yeah. Bro, how did you do that? I saved you! Bro, there's a fur in our team.
Yeah, bro.
It's Popcat.
I hate furries.
Bro, it's Popcat!
Oh my God, bro.
It's actually Popcat! It's the real Popcat!
Nah, bro, I just...
Yes, verification!
Snap.
Oh my God. Bro, I think we suck at this game.
Oh my... There's PvP here.
Why did I hit you? Messing with my keyboard, by the way.
Oh my... Bye. My God, bro, our base is messed up.
No. I just don't know how to PvP.
Oh my God. I got 15 emeralds. Chill, bro.
Yo! I need the emeralds! Buy diamond armor!
Chew.
Stop messing around with my mouse!
I'm gonna buy diamond armor. Ooh.
Buy diamond armor. Bro, why do you get the armor but you're not really the one that's gonna PvP? Oh, I got diamond sword! I got the damn sword grip now. I can PvP so hard now. Do you know how to speedrun?
Who wanna die? You.
Bro, you're gonna die so hard.
Nah, bro, I'm not.
Do not go for the Titan, you know why? You're just gonna die.
My God, bro, look at the base.
Do not go in the center. I'm gonna go to their base.
Someone's killing me so hard. Someone's killing me.
Go back to base. Someone's hunting me! Everything's perfect here. Oh my God. I clutched! Someone's in the base! I'm clicking stuff. I don't know what I'm clicking, but I'm clicking stuff. Oh, I died! You died? Bro, why are you pressing TNT? Yeah, you're dead.
Oh my bro.
Bro, you were pressing TNT. I was going everywhere.
Let's go lobby.
Nah, you're playing. You're
Hey.
again.
I just click play again. Hey bro, guys, this is me. Hello. Oh my God, bro. Okay. Oh my.
Run! That's your TNT!
Oh my bro, I hate dying. Alright, now let's go to another person. Bro's camping!
Bro, look at this guy.
Bro,
Bro,
we're the same guy.
Bro, Bro's really hiding.
Yeah, bro. Bro, this is what I die.
Yeah, this can still be a short.
Yeah. Okay, part 2 will be out.